guys, what are we gonna do today? I bet you can guess. We're gonna make this really cute Valentine pocket bag. Really, really simple. Kind of similar to some of the other folded pockets I've done, but all I did is use a cute little 6x6 bag and some fun vintage images. So let's just get started. So at the bottom of the video, you will see a link, and you can click on that and download. Here's a template for the heart, and here are some of the fun images that I used on this cute bag. The first thing, so you have this, and I just drew out a 6x6, and I have these bags in my shop, but you could even probably make your own 6x6 bag. It has a tiny gusset, but it doesn't need any actually. So I have it 6 inches wide, but you could really probably take any bag you have and then come after you see how we do this, do your own template. Now you can either just cut this out and draw this heart in a pencil on your bag and cut that out, or I'm actually just going to do it like this. So I have the arrows here so you can see where you're going to cut the top. So that's what it looks like right now. I'm going to take my right side. When I'm looking at it, it's on my right side. And I know I want to fold that right there. Spin it out. And on this line, fold it in right there. Pull this template out. And you can see that fits right there and there. Okay, so we've got this bag folded. So what I want to do next, you just get some cute paper. And on this template also, I have this piece. So you're going to take this and use this for your guide and take a cute sheet of paper and cut it out. Then going to just use a little bit of, just use some glue stick or however you'd like to, or double stick tape. And you're going to put it on this front part of the bag. So let's get some cute paper and cut this out. I'm just cutting this just a little bigger. Glue this on, and then I'll just trim any excess. Sometimes it's easier just to trim the excess instead of having to worry if it's cut exactly perfect. Now I'm just going to sew a seam here and here on my sewing machine. Going to do a zigzag stitch. So these are some of the images, or these are the images that's on the other sheet in the template. So I'm just going to actually take some of these and glue them onto cardstock to make them a little heavier. And I want it just as hard, but you can take any of these pieces and do it in any way that you would like. Actually, if you just copied it onto cardstock, then you wouldn't have to do this. And you could just cut out the elements that you want. And on this one, actually I just left it on the paper and cut these words out and put them onto the front. So I'm going to glue you can just take these and you can accessorize them any way you would like. This is just what I'm going to be doing. I just added the heart above the bird, and I am going to glue these in here. And I'm just going to glue these words on here. So I'm just going to take some of these and just scruff them up a little. Just when I wax them, it'll kind of go in where I've sanded. Okay, let's wax these and finish putting them together. I'm just gonna put some clear wax on here and then maybe a little dark wax on my paper, just on the fronts. Start with the clear. I'm just gonna put a little glue at the bottom of this, and I am gonna put it inside, because on the inside of this I haven't used any wax. This will stick here, and then you can kind of decide how you want it angled in. And just some glue on the back of that. And then all I did was, I just threw these in, but you could, you can attach them in, staple them in, glue them in, add another fun card. You could take the other hearts, add those in also. So I hope this looked really easy. But even if you don't make the pockets, take the cute little images and collage something else, put them together, just leave them the way they are. But whatever you do, have fun.